Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to connect Aliexpress to your Shopify website, and it will be a complete beginner video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, this is our Shopify dashboard panel, and it is really easy and simple to create an website in Shopify. As you can see, we are using the trial version over here. So if you want to switch into the premium plan, then you will get great plan over here. As you can see, $1, just click on choose plan and you will see that $1 per month. So it's really amazing to make an website here, and it's so much affordable. So our main goal is to connect Aliexpress with our Shopify store. So we are going to do a drop shipping and our website based on drop shipping products. So that's why I am going to add Aliexpress to my Shopify store. So the process we need to be follow in this video is really simple. You just need to be focused on the video to get whole procedure in one way. So let's dive into the main topic, that is you just need to click on add apps. Once you click over here, then you will get this option over your desktop, where in the bottom you will get options called Shopify app store. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the new tab where you can get option. It is a Shopify app store where you are allowed to install any app from that place for your Shopify platform. So here you can see we have a couple of products, like it's called apps over here. So I'm going to search drop shipping. So let's search for drop shipping, and they will suggest us a couple of options. Here you can see these are all really amazing, but I will go with this. They search Aliexpress dropshipping. It's really amazing. If I go on this one, then here you will get this option that pricing free to install, and they also provide trial for us. Then the rating is 5 out of 5 and developer name is Racer. If you want to know furthermore, then you can read these descriptions over here. So if you understand whole thing from that place, then you just need to be click on install. Once you click over here into the install, then it will take you to this page where they are telling you to logging or install this teaser on your Shopify store. Just install it. Once you click over here, then it will be probably install on your Shopify store. That much easy the process is. Now they're telling us to authenticate. Like here you can see your Shopify email address has been used to create a desert account login. If this is your registered account, you can try, let's create on I want to change account. Just click over here, and then they will give you option to create an account. Just click on create an account. Then I will copy my mail from that place. This will be my mail address. That's why I'm going to check this one, and I will copy my mail address. I will paste it here. Similarly, I will give a password that will be this one, and I will definitely save it somewhere. So let's go and save it here. Let's send it. Unfortunately I got error, so here I'm going to make an address. So here you can see I'm going to send it here. By this way I'm going to save this password over here, so whenever I will need, I can copy it here. So now I'm going to click on register, and get started. Email has been registered, please sign in. So let's go and click on sign in. So here you can see we already log into our DSR account. This is really easy to log in here, like the one you create on Google and Facebook account, similar kind of to this DSR account. So here you can see our Aliexpress. So let's go and let's dive into our Shopify store, and let's go to the apps. And here you can see DSR Aliexpress dropshipping app is installed. Just go over that place and click on open app. Once I click over here, then it will tell us to authorize. So now I'm going to click on confirm. When I will click over there, it will take a while, and it has been confirmed that our login is pressed there. As you can see, update abnormal store authorization. It's been detected that your store below are not available any more. For some reason you can click on relink button, just click on relink, and then it will give us further more option. Maybe here you can see the interaction over here. So plus click the update button and just click on see more details. Okay, view all plans. Okay, I am using the free plan, that's why I am going to click on this. They are telling us something that we need to be fulfilled. Just click over here, billing, paid, and then try it again. Click on update. It's abnormal, so there is some issue we are getting. That is, this is our link. If I give you the link address, like our website address, this one will be our website address. So here you can see our Aliexpress has been come over here, and now we can easily, like legit, we can associate the products with our Shopify store. This is really simple and really helpful. Let's go and click over that one. This is the product I have, and now I'm going to include this product in our Shopify store. It will take a while to loading. Sometimes it happens for your network, so always check your network. So if you found out this kind of a problem, so here you can see this one is solved. And now you can see, if you think this one is really cool, then you can come back to this place and just click on add to import list. Just click over here and click on got it, or you can install it. Just click on got it, and it has been imported, and you can see that the product imported successfully. Please go to imported list to check. Just click on check, and it will be come over that place. Here you can see I previously add couple of products on my Shopify store, so it's really simple. So you just need to be check this out, then push to store, and then it will be pushed to your store. So it's really simple. Just click on push to store, and it will take a while to push it. And here you can see the status is ongoing, and now it will be complete. When it will be complete, then you will get this option. So here I have some problem that click here to change your authorization. So now I'm going to change my store. This is not my store, is connected with my Shopify store. That is the main problem, and that's why I'm getting the issue. So I'm going to remove this one. Just click over here, update, and then I will remove my previous store and I will connect the new store with my Shopify. Just click on setting, and here you will get options as you can see it. And let's check this out. Our website, our website is this one. Just copy this link, and let's come back to this one and let's search. As you can see, it already connected. So here upgrade plan, and here you can see we have a couple of options tracking. So I'm going to remove this store from that place. So just go over here, general setting, and then I am going to delete the store. So just click on add store, click on open. There's a couple of methods, so I need to be apply it one by one, and it will take some time for you. So you need to be patient to do the work properly. So here you can see it is not changed yet. So I'm going to back this one, and then I will come back to this one, and now I am going to click on this one. So I need to find out to remove the store and add the existing store with this platform. So finally we get the options. Here you can see this is our domain, so I'm going to unlink it. Just click on delete, then click on disconnect. You just need to, if I fail to link Aliexpress account, just click on disconnect, and this way it will be disconnected perfectly, and now you can easily work over here. So once you're done, just click on refresh and then come back to desert, and let's go and let's check this out, desserts. Here you can see this is our desert platform, and now I am going to click on this one, and now eventually it has been completed. So I will come back to deserts application form, and here we will get this AliExpress option. Similarly, I can now easily import any product over that place. So this way you can easily import anything on your AliExpress, and it is really easy to import it. Just click on push to store. Once you're done, and click on check this out, store selection, and click on push to store. And here you can see it will take a while. As you can see, I already select my existing website, and then it will, as you can see, imported reviews, and its status has been changed. If I come back to this one and refresh it, our product panel, then here you will see the changes over here, as you can see. So the process is really simple. I hope you learned many things and you gain lots of knowledge from this video. If you have particular question around this video, just go scroll down and go to the comment box and ask me the question. I will try my best to answer those questions. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.